Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve GfG 160-day challenge, day 16. And the problem is anagram. And the difficulty level is easy. So let's read the problem statement. So we have given a two strings S1 and S2 consisting of lowercase characters only, and the task is to check whether two given strings are an anagram of each other or not. An anagram of a string is another string that contains the same characters. Only the order of characters can be different. For example, the act string and the tag are an anagram of each other. String S1 and S2 can only contain lowercase alphabets. And there is a note also. You can assume both the string S1 and S2 are not empty. That means S1 and S2 must be contains the single or more than single characters. Okay, so like you have to understand the first what is anagram, what is the definition of anagram. So the definition of anagram is an anagram of a string is another string that contains the same characters. That means if we have a two strings, if we have a two words, then every words, suppose in first words, whatever the characters are available, so that characters, the set of that characters should be available in the second word. Okay, so let's see the input. And we have a S1 geeks and S2 string is K chic, right? So let's say like G is available, E also available, K also available, S is also available, right? So these two S1 is anagram of S2, and we can say also like S2 is anagram S1. Okay, let's see the second example. So we have a S1 like allergy, okay, and S2 is allergic. So here like C in S2 there is a C character, but this is not in S1, so output will be false. And let's see the input S1 and S2 that containing only single character, that is Z, so it will be true. Now let's see, like we can have a edge cases also. So in the same like first input, if we have a geeks and s2 is a geeks, but let's say in geeks first string we have a geeks, uh, s is a like double character, so GEEKSS, and S2 only just one character of S1 S. So is it will be anagram to of each other, right? So this will not be, because the length should be same, and the characters are can be like suppose in third example we have GG, right? So in S7 there is a 2Z, but S2 is contains only single character G. So G is in S1 also and G is S2 also, but these two are not anagram, because one string have a two characters, but another string have a only one character. Okay, so we need to care about the s cases also here. And let's see the like what complexities expectation is. So time complexity is order of n plus m, and the auxiliary space is order of 1. Okay, so yeah, so the idea is about to like okay, I'm just going to explain. Like first example is, we have given a first example S1, that is geeks, and S2 we have K geese, I guess. Yeah, we can consider this one also. So K is there and K is also there, G is there, G is also there. E is there, yes, E also there. And the second E is also here. And yes, yes, we have yes. So these two will be the anagram and the output will be true. Yes, it is true. But let's say we have a S1 in third case, we have just G, what I was explaining earlier, and just we have G. So these two will be not anagram of each other. So basically, the output will be false in this case. Only G and G, only single character. So it, because S1 character is a length of 2, but as for S2, just length is 1 here. Okay. So we can solve it like many approaches. The first approach can be like, first we will check like if S1 and S2 length of S1 and S2 is equal, then yeah, it's possible. Then we can traverse the array on S1. Then we can check like every element is available in this one or not. So if available, then true, otherwise false. Okay, otherwise we can also consider like we can take the extra array, and then we will check whatever will be visited in this one, then again we will keep in that one. And yeah, first we have to check the length also there. So here we are going to take a approach like what the idea is about to, like first we will consider one variable, that is count, and then we'll take the array of 256. Why I'm taking 256 here? Because we have a unicode in Python, that is the uh, length of maximum length is like 256. So any characters have a like number. It returns a integer when we apply order function of, like suppose A. Okay, so this is the just very Python basic. You can run it and then you can find it. So it will return when we need to find the like what is the in what is the order of A and what is the order of B, then it will return some integer value here. Okay, this will be also integer within a range this. Okay, so we are taking the extra array length of 256, but this is the fixed amount. So it will like the order of one space complexity here. Okay, then yeah, we will traverse the through array. First, we'll check the like edge case. Uh, Length of S1 and length of S2 should be same, right? And then we will traverse, and then we will taking the order of every element. What is every element, like every character in S1 we will calculate, and then count, we will I will increase the count. Okay, then every element of order of every element, as this is S1 S2, then we will find out, and then we will count, we will decrease the count, we will sorry, we will decrease the count here, like we will decrease the count. What I am trying to say, like suppose I don't remember the like what is the return order of the G and E and Ks, but suppose G returns 10 and E returns 12, then 12, then K is like 5, then S is like okay, S is like 20. Then if every time we just find out the every element of the order of the every element, then we will just plus for S1. So let's say it will calculate just 150. Okay, then S2, we will calculate for S2 the order of this number. Then we will calculate, and every time we will just do the minus. That means every if every element will be the present in, like, for the same array, it will decrease. Like if 10 is present, then we will decrease, then 10 will cancel. Then e is present, if e is present, then yeah, we will decrease, then 12 is cancelled, 12 will be subtracted from the count variable. Then e, then again e present, then we will subtract this 12, then it will reduce. Then s is present, s will check s is present in s1 or not, then yeah, it is present, so it will cancel. Then like this will, if it will be 0, then our result be true, yes, because length is also same and every characters of order of every characters is the same. That means s1, every characters of s1 is present in s2. Okay, like this. So if count is not equal to 0, that means these two are not equal. That means these two are not anagram of each other. Okay, so let's implement in the code. So first we will check the s case. The first s case is if length of s1 is not equal to length of s2, then immediately this will return false, because this is the not anagram. Then we will assume a variable, let's say count, and just length of, we will consider an array, and let's say 256. Okay, for I in range, we will traverse through array, length of s1 s2, you can take anyone, and we will find like count order of s1 I. We here we are taking each element. Okay, so order of s1 I, we will find the first element, order of first element, then we will find the next one, then we will just add, keep adding. Okay, so like just we will increase. Okay, this element is found, then count will increase. Okay, then again in for the string s2, then again we will find order of s2 I, and then will just decrease by 1. Okay, because whatever the elements come here, come, and every time we will just took the count, and now just again for x and count, for x and count, if x is not equal to 0, right, because every time we here we decreases, right. So if x is not equal to 0, then return false, because it should be 0, return false, otherwise return true every time. Okay, let's compile and run. Can't assign to function call. Okay, I made a mistake here. because we considered array right here. This is array. Sorry, guys. So for input geeks and k-seek, uh, our output is true and expected is also true. Let's submit. So every test cases are passed here. Yeah. I hope you understand the problem and with the implementation also. If you are not able to understand like what is the order of this, just first read about this, like what are the characters available in our Python. So what will be the integer of this is just simple. And yeah, rewatch this video. So thank you guys for today. I'll meet you in the next video. And yeah, keep learning and keep growing.